Hi, my name is George Zamora with Trident Real Estate, and today I want to talk to you about professional property management fees here in Miami, Florida. Now, when talking about property management fees, there's two basic types of models. There's the flat fee model and the percentage-based model. Under the flat fee model, you're essentially being charged a set rate per month. Now, understand that in some cases, whether the property is vacant or occupied, you're still paying that monthly rate. And the same holds true if there's a tenant in place and the tenant is not paying the rent, you're still potentially being charged under this type of model. Now, within the flat fee model, there is also a variation that's essentially called a tiered system. Under a tiered system, you're paying management fees based off of a tier of services. So for example, on the lowest level tier, you might be charged a monthly fee to handle something as basic as rent collection. For a little bit more per month, you might have an additional service like having accounting involved in it. And then for more money per month, you might have a higher rate to take care of an all-encompassing service. Now, the other type of management fee model is the percentage-based model, which I like to call a performance-based model. The reason why I call it performance-based is because the management fee is directly tied into the success of the property. So the property management company is only getting paid when the rent is collected. So if the property is vacant, the property management company is not collecting. If there's a tenant in place and the tenant's not paying, the property management company is not getting paid. Again, it's directly tied into the performance of the rent. There are also, no matter which model you have, whether the flat fee or the performance-based model, both models you can have additional fees. Some of these fees might include things like postage, long-distance phone calls. Some companies add a percentage on top of material invoices. They'll add a percentage on top of contractor invoices. Sometimes they'll charge you to oversee turnover work, renovation. If there's an insurance claim, sometimes they'll add a fee to oversee the claim. Sometimes they'll even charge you a convenience fee when they're transferring funds to your account. And most importantly, sometimes they'll charge things like a lease renewal fee. Finally, there's also fees which management companies also charge, which you might not have considered, but is really important, and those are fees assessed to the tenants. Now, some of these fees might include application fees when a tenant applies to rent the property. Sometimes on a lease renewal, the tenant is charged a reapplication fee. Sometimes the tenants are charged a convenience fee to pay their rent online. Annual inspection fees, and sometimes even lease renewal fees. Now again, you might not think that this is important because these are fees assessed to the tenants, but they are. Because keep in mind, if a tenant thinks that these fees are too cumbersome or too much, they might be less inclined to renew the lease. And I don't think I need to tell you, if a tenant doesn't renew, that can cost you anywhere between 2 to 3 months of income, and that's a loss between vacancy time, turnover costs, and commission fees. No matter which management fee model works best for you, just keep in mind that the cheapest isn't always the best. You wouldn't want to have the cheapest surgeon perform major surgery on you, just like you wouldn't want to have the cheapest property management company in charge of your real estate investment. You want the most experienced and the most responsive management company. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about property management fees, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.